Hey everyone! Have you ever wondered why it seems like the guys who care the least about getting girls always seem to have them lining up, while the nicest, most attentive guys often get left behind? Today we're diving into one of the most fascinating and frustrating paradoxes of attraction. You see, from a young age we're taught that being nice, thoughtful and attentive will eventually win the heart of that special girl. But what if I told you that this well-intentioned advice might actually be steering you away from the results you want? Think about nature for a moment. Some of the most stunningly beautiful creatures, those vibrant flowers and dazzling lizards, are often the most dangerous to touch. It's a curious contradiction, isn't it? This concept extends into the realm of human attraction as well, where what seems logical on the surface doesn't always play out as expected in real life. Remember those high school days? There was always that one guy who seemed to effortlessly attract all the girls. He wasn't necessarily the nicest or the most considerate, but there was something about him that drew girls in like a magnet. What was his secret? Today, we're peeling back the layers to reveal the truth behind this attraction paradox. I'm going to share with you why focusing too much on winning a girl's affection can actually push her away, and why the guys who seem the least interested often have the most success. We'll explore the psychology behind why girls are drawn to certain types of men and how you can flip the script to become the one they chase. So, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a deeper understanding of the complex dynamics of attraction and practical tips on how to make this paradox work in your favor. If you're tired of feeling like the nice guy who finishes last, this is the video for you. Get ready to transform your approach and unlock the secrets to becoming the guy that girls can't resist. Let's get started. Point 1. The niceness paradox. From an early age, we're often told that being kind, considerate, and attentive will make us irresistible to the opposite sex. This well-meaning advice suggests that if you're nice enough, if you shower her with attention and affection, she'll surely fall for you. But as many of us have learned the hard way, this doesn't always hold true. Instead of winning her over, this approach can sometimes push her away. Why is that? The answer lies in the concept of value. When you're too available, constantly trying to please her, you might unintentionally lower your perceived value. Human psychology is wired in a way that we often take for granted what comes easily to us. When you're always there, always agreeable, you become predictable. There's no mystery, no challenge. This predictability can lead to a lack of excitement and ultimately a decline in attraction. Think about it from a different perspective. In nature, some of the most beautiful and captivating creatures are also the hardest to catch. They don't just sit around waiting to be captured, they make you work for it. This principle applies to human attraction as well. When you're constantly available, there's no need for her to invest effort. On the other hand, when you focus on your own life, your goals, and your interests, you create a sense of independence and self-worth that's incredibly attractive. You're not just another nice guy. You're a valuable individual with a life of your own, and that's intriguing. Point 2. The allure of the bad boy. In every school, there's always that one guy who seems to effortlessly attract all the girls. He's not necessarily the nicest or the most considerate, but there's something about him that draws them in. This guy often fits the bad boy archetype, confident, self-assured, and sometimes even a bit rebellious. But what is it about bad boys that makes them so attractive? Bad boys exude confidence and independence. They don't seek validation from others, and they live life on their own terms. This self-assuredness is magnetic. It signals to women that this guy is high value, that he has his life together, and that he doesn't need anyone's approval to feel good about himself. This kind of confidence is incredibly appealing because it suggests stability and strength. Moreover, bad boys often present a challenge. They're not easily won over, which makes the pursuit more exciting. For many women, this challenge triggers a deep-seated instinct to win over the elusive catch. It's the thrill of the chase that keeps them engaged. When a woman has to work for a man's attention, it becomes a rewarding experience, making the attraction even stronger. However, this doesn't mean you need to become a jerk to attract women. The key takeaway is the importance of confidence and self-assuredness. By focusing on your own goals and maintaining a strong sense of self, you can cultivate an aura of confidence that's genuinely attractive. It's about striking a balance, being kind and respectful without compromising your own value and independence. Point 3. The value of self-focus. One of the greatest paradoxes of attraction is that the more you focus on yourself, the more attractive you become to others. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's rooted in a fundamental aspect of human psychology. When you invest time and energy into improving yourself, you naturally become more interesting and appealing. Self-focus doesn't mean being selfish or ignoring others. It means prioritizing your own growth and well-being. This could be through pursuing hobbies, advancing your career, or working on personal development. When you're passionate about your interests, it shows. Passion is attractive because it demonstrates that you have a purpose and drive in life. It signals that you're not just floating through life, but actively shaping your future. Additionally, when you focus on yourself, you become less dependent on external validation. You're not constantly seeking approval or affection because you're content and confident in your own achievements. This independence is incredibly attractive. It shows that you're self-sufficient and capable, qualities that are universally appealing. Moreover, focusing on self-improvement can lead to increased confidence. As you achieve your goals and see progress, your self-esteem grows. This newfound confidence can change the way you interact with others, making you more charismatic and engaging. You're no longer the nice guy who's always available. You're a high-value individual who has his own life and ambitions. This shift in perception can significantly enhance your attractiveness. Point 4. The subconscious programming. Understanding the subconscious programming of attraction can provide insights into why certain behaviors are more effective than others. On a deep, instinctual level, women are programmed to seek out partners who can provide stability, strength, and protection. These traits are often subconsciously associated with men who are confident, self-assured, and independent. When a man focuses too much on pleasing a woman, he might come across as desperate or needy. This behavior signals a lack of confidence and self-worth. In contrast, a man who is self-focused and independent exudes an aura of strength and stability. He doesn't need to constantly seek validation from others because he's secure in himself. This subconscious programming can be traced back to evolutionary psychology. Historically, women sought out partners who could provide and protect. While modern society has evolved, these deep-seated instincts still play a role in attraction. A man who is self-sufficient and confident is perceived as more capable of providing stability and protection. Understanding this programming can help you navigate the complexities of attraction more effectively. It's not about playing games or manipulating others. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. By focusing on your own growth and development, you naturally become more attractive. You're not trying to fit into someone else's mold. You're creating your own path and inviting others to join you. Point 5. The challenge factor. Human nature is wired to appreciate things that are hard to obtain. This is known as the scarcity principle, the idea that we value things more when they are less available. In the context of attraction, this means that people are often more drawn to those who present a challenge. When a man is too available or eager, he doesn't present a challenge. There's no excitement or intrigue because there's no effort required. On the other hand, a man who is slightly aloof and hard to get creates a sense of mystery and excitement. This challenge triggers a woman's instinct to pursue, making the interaction more engaging and rewarding. Presenting a challenge doesn't mean being rude or dismissive. It's about maintaining your own life and interests and not being overly available. It's about showing that you're a high-value individual with your own goals and ambitions. When a woman sees that you have a fulfilling life outside of her, she's more likely to be intrigued and interested. This doesn't mean you should play hard to get in a manipulative way. It's about genuinely having a life that you're passionate about. When you're genuinely busy and focused on your own growth, you naturally become less available. This scarcity makes your attention more valuable, increasing your attractiveness. Point 6. Flipping the paradox. To flip the paradox of attraction, you need to shift your focus from chasing girls to chasing goals. This might sound simple, but it requires a conscious effort to prioritize your own growth and development. When you focus on improving yourself, you naturally become more confident, interesting, and attractive. Set clear goals for yourself, whether it's advancing in your career, mastering a new skill, or pursuing a passion. Work towards these goals with dedication and persistence. As you achieve your objectives, your confidence will grow and you'll become more self-assured. This confidence is magnetic. It draws people in because it signals that you're a high-value individual. Additionally, focusing on your goals makes you less available, which increases your perceived value. You're not constantly seeking validation from others because you're content with your own achievements. This independence is incredibly attractive because it shows that you're self-sufficient and capable. By flipping the paradox, you create a dynamic where women are drawn to you without you having to chase them. You're not ignoring them or being dismissive. You're simply prioritizing your own growth. This approach creates a natural attraction because it aligns with the subconscious programming of seeking a high-value partner. So, there you have it, the fascinating paradox of attraction and how you can turn it to your advantage. Remember, the key to becoming more attractive isn't about changing who you are to please someone else. It's about focusing on your own growth and becoming the best version of yourself. When you prioritize your own goals and ambitions, you naturally become more confident, interesting, and desirable. By understanding the principles of attraction and applying them to your life, you can create a dynamic where women are naturally drawn to you. It's about flipping the script and making yourself the prize that they want to chase. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of attraction and human behavior. Until next time, focus on your goals, keep improving yourself, and watch how the world around you starts to change. See you in the next video.